Welcome back to the JK Workshop. Now today's video is a little different.
Yeah, it may look the same because we've got Lewis's Beetle as it's always on here.
It's
always on here.
It always seems to be on
something new on here, but yeah, it's a very different video. Mark actually has some news.
I do have some news, and unfortunately, would you like to say it?
He is leaving. He's leaving Just Kampers, so
Sadly.
There'll be no more you on YouTube or anything. So we thought we'll do something because otherwise you just
It looks like I've disappeared.
vanished.
But I haven't left the planet. I have moved on, and I'm doing something different. So
yeah. So where are you heading to next?
So I'm heading to a company called Nicholson McLaren, and I'm going to build motorsport engines.
Oh,
so
awesome. That's been really sick.
yeah, so it was an opportunity that I couldn't pass up. As you know, my background is classic cars, engines, engine tuning.
Yeah.
So it's my bag, you know.
Yeah.
And those sort of motorsport jobs don't come up that often, so it was one that was offered, and I had to take it up. Well, fortunately for me, or maybe unfortunately for Just Kampers, I think. But having said that, you know, I've really enjoyed my time here.
I guess looking back at all our stuff, which was your favourite JK project that we did? Obviously not, as much as we love Lewis's Beetle, probably not Lewis's Beetle.
It's been a tough one.
Very stressful project.
It's been a tough one, that. God, that's quite a difficult one to pick because I've enjoyed all of them. Yep. And picking out the best bits out of all of them to make one, you know, I think back and I actually enjoyed, blimey.
I guess, from the very start, the DNS was quite a cool car to be a part of.
Do you know what? I was very honoured to be part of that car,
yeah.
and for it to win some awards and stuff was a proud moment for me.
Yeah.
In my career, you know, I thought that was really cool.
So
and what a cool car.
So that was before we did the video series as well, so that was a completely separate thing at the time.
Yeah, that was quite early on with me joining JK.
Yeah.
That's where I sort of started really doing that for Mark. And I wouldn't have gone the places we went with that car if it wasn't for that car, if that makes sense. So I had a fantastic time with that. Yeah. We had a great year with that. I mean, all the shows that car done.
You did a lot
that year when it was completed, and
obviously it finished off with the RAC. What was it?
Oh, the RAC Club. Yeah,
the
we went there,
Club
didn't
in London. That was pretty cool.
How cool was that? I mean, again, for me and you, like a lifetime.
Yeah, that was pretty mega.
One of those things, one in a lifetime, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, we saw a cool sight there.
Yeah.
And getting that thing in. Do you remember that? Having the doors off at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, that was pretty impressive. Yeah. I remember seeing the stress on your face getting this car up on the ramp.
But I mean, those guys that they're taking that roller roundy door off, they do that week in, week out. Imagine that, having to rock up at 4:30 in the morning to whip that down and get another car through and change it round. Mental. Nuts. But yeah, again, we wouldn't have experienced that if it wasn't for that car. So again, eternally grateful for that experience from that car. So yeah, that was, you know, quite a highlight. But the project that we've done together, do you know what I really enjoyed? I did enjoy Ben and Anna's. I think that was probably one of my favourites. Yeah. Maybe not the favourite, but one of my favourites. I think it's because it was such a purposeful project in terms of that they had their heart and soul in it as well.
And that's the first time we had other people involved as well.
Yeah, and we were sort of helping them along.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It felt like
they were great as well.
Yeah, I love them. I'm still in contact with them, so it's kind of cool. They're off gallivanting around Europe at the moment.
Very jealous, very jealous.
Oh, super jealous. So that, I think, was probably one of my highlights.
Yeah.
To get that done for them and to see those guys go off and use that, really cool. And obviously the Crafter. Yeah. The Crafter was quite a big thing for us to do.
Big vehicle.
I mean, again, that was a project that we undertook that, to be honest, it was like the first one I'd ever done of that size, camper van style.
There was a lot of firsts on that vehicle, wasn't it? A lot of showers, water pumps,
I mean,
stuff. And
who puts a household shower in a van?
Yeah.
You know, it's mad, isn't it?
Ridiculous.
For me, whereas I thought that was quite cool. And now, because of that project, Andy's away enjoying it. Do you see what I mean? So that it makes it real worthwhile for me, I think, in that respect. Project 22 I loved as well. Don't forget.
That was our first proper
We cut
project.
Our teeth on camper van. Well, I did.
Yeah.
You already had a great knowledge, which I'm again eternally grateful for, because I wouldn't have been able to do what we did with that van without your help and knowledge of. No, hang on, Mark. That's okay. But yeah, so you know, I think okay. If I had to pick one, I'm going to go Ben and Anna.
Yeah, I think that was probably one of my favourites as well, because it was just a lot of fun doing that. What was your favourite video? Like, what was the single sort of video that we did? Anything that stands out?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Us in Lewis's Beetle.
Oh, yeah. That was great fun, actually.
I think that was probably one of
that's one of my favourite videos as well. Not even just like for the experience, the production of that was really well done.
I loved it. Yeah, that's what it was like a new format, wasn't it, for us? I think that's it. Yeah, that
Yeah,
one. And I still laugh at it every time I watch it.
We all squeezed into it and went down the
Oh,
road.
it's hilarious. Hilarious.
And then it's the horn cap thing come up where it is.
Brilliant. Yeah, all of that we captured and made into a... Oh, it's great.
Yeah,
so
I mean, as much as this was a stressful car, it's been fun to do the videos.
Fun.
Yeah, it's thrown curveballs in it for sure. But no, I really enjoyed that as well. That was really good fun.
Cool. Okay, that's interesting.
What was your favourite JK memory? So it doesn't just have to be YouTube
wow.
stuff. It could be anything that you've done here.
Favourite memory? Blimey, I've got a lot. A lot of favourite memories, but the standout memory for me is probably going to have to be Salon Privé with the DNS. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that was a pretty mega event, wasn't it? So.
Again, for me, being a classic car guy, and to be at that event that I knew of it and I'd never been to it, never had the opportunity to go. And again, the DNS took me there, and I was very proud to sort of present the DNS under JK's, not necessarily under its banner, but under its presence, if that makes sense. So that was kind of cool.
Yeah, because I remember seeing the pictures from that show. It was pretty mega, and like some of the cars as well that were there were pretty. It's next level show.
So I think as a car, that's probably my favourite memory. But favourite memory for me was probably out with you, going up to pick up the van furniture.
Van furniture. That
was one of our best days out, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's good fun. I mean,
it's a bit of a jolly. No, it wasn't. It was very hard work.
And those guys there were really good fun as well. That's what made it good. Is because they were going along with it and they made the video great.
So
fun
that
as
is also a very fond memory for a different reason, I think.
Yeah.
So the car one for me, for being a car guy, and and for having a friend like you, Nick, and getting out on the road and having some fun.
Exactly. So, that was a really good day.
Yeah, I loved it. Loved it.
And I said, what you missed the most, I guess, is...
The people.
Yeah.
Instantly the people, yeah. I love the work, don't get me wrong, but I can take it or leave it. We work for a reason, don't we? Mm-hmm. But the thing that makes the whole of JK difficult to leave is the people.
Yeah.
It's that family feel.
Yeah, it's the team, isn't it?
It's amazing. And I experienced that for the very first time when I turned up here on, I think we were doing like a family evening. Mark had a family evening on. And I met Wiener and he made me a cup of tea. And I was just accepted straight away. You know, when you're the new kids and you feel like, I've been invited, I better turn up. It didn't feel like that. It was actually, I felt part of what was going on straight away. Yeah. So that's probably the thing I miss the most is all of you guys, is that family feel. Yeah, because you don't always get that from. No,
it's the team. The team makes the difference.
Oh yeah, and when you're all pushing in the same direction, doing the right thing together, it's just so much fun, isn't it?
Cool. And my final point was just thank you from the JK team for all your hard work.
Wow, no worries, mate. No worries.
What you don't see is not just from the projects, from behind the scenes, he does everyone's cars as well. Like anything that's gone wrong.
I get dragged into a few things, which is fine.
He's done some very, very random things on people's cars. So he's done the engine mount on my car. He fixed people's brakes, all sorts. So
yeah. Well, try and help out. I did headlights today and what have you, but extra little bits.
Exactly.
And then I think the funniest one was probably fixing the leaf blower for Mark. That's quite random.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go. So we do it all really. So it has been fun and a very wide variety of work. I've got quite a wide base of skills, which I've obviously sort of used a bit of everywhere. And the new thing that I learnt was obviously the camera work with you, Nick. Because that was my first ever gig.
If you look back at the videos, your presenting style gets better.
Because I started off really like, we don't know what to do in front of the camera.
And also, because Project 22, that was the first one we did, and that was in winter, so you were like freezing.
Yeah, I'm not very good with the cold, Nick, as you know. Yeah,
so you're already a bit like, motivation was low, and then it got warmer, and you're...
As my hands are blue, I don't like doing stuff, and I'm more of a reptile side.
I always said you're a lizard.
I prefer the hot sunshine is my bag. And we don't get much of that. About 2 weeks in the UK that I really enjoy, and the rest of it I find thoroughly too cold. So,
is there anything you would like to say to your dedicated fans out there?
No, just thanks for watching, and I hope we've given you some guidance, hopefully, and some value in the material that we've put across, which is what we tried to do, and fun and enjoyable to watch. That's, again, not an easy thing to try and portray when you're doing how-tos or instructional videos or trying to get information across without being too boring. So sorry if I have been too boring, but hopefully we haven't, and we've had, and you've learned, and it's been fun. So that's it really, I think, in a nutshell. So thank you guys for pressing the subscribe button.
Yeah.
Just keep doing it.
Yeah. Just keep.
And who knows? Who knows? We may even, I don't know.
You can make a cameo someday.
Maybe I just pop in. While the cameras are rolling,
Yeah, that's it really. That's,
Okay, well, that's...
I don't know how to outro this one.
No, well, I suppose it's goodbye from me and goodbye from you. And
is that two Roddies?
It was one of my favourites, yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, that's goodbye.
This is my last day and the last video, so
yeah, we'll do a Lewis waves the camera and say goodbye, I guess.
Oh yeah, just do a...
See you guys later.
See you guys later. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. From Lewis and I, we'll see you next time.
Should I do my... Oh, you don't do
sorry. Sorry, mate. From Lewis and I, we'll see you next time. Just want to say a big thanks to our superior safety team for making sure everything's really super safe for Nick onto the
yeah.
Does it still feel stiff though?
Yeah, oh, there you go. Testosterone.
Oh no. I'll probably do full throttle on this. Full throttle. Full throttle. Full throttle. And we're looking from we're looking for... I don't know what's going on now. So I've got 400ml here. Sound like a cookery program. Engines on the stand. Wow, look at this lot. Wow, is that? There we go. I'll show you that when we're doing it.
Oh, okay.
I think that's good. We're here at the Classic Motor Show. Ooh, something that's a bit of me. Yep, love a bit of that. Okay. To see our full range of stainless steel exhausts. Full range of stainless. See our full range of stainless steel. Stainless steel exhausts. Just keep it going, we'll get it. Or click the link in the description. Left then.
Shall we go look in the back?
Sounds good. Let's do it, let's do it.
Right. Interesting, and we will see you next time, but we are off.
Just put me cup in the cup holder.
Safety first.
You're belted up there, Josh.
Yeah.
Right, see you next time.
See you next time.
Good evening and welcome to... You're filming?